Hey guys, today I'm visiting the Haas Moto Museum in Dallas and interviewing the famed custom bike builder, Chris Sparky Williamson. Hey guys, it's Phenom with Moto Skies, and I am here with the famous custom bike builder, Sparky. You're famous.
In my little world, I may be, but
And we're here at the Haas Moto Museum. Is that correct?
yes, ma'am.
All right. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself and how you got started doing these custom bikes?
Yeah, I pretty much started out as a mechanic working on V-twin motorcycles. Went to school for just basic mechanic work, and I already knew I wanted to veer into the custom world. So after leaving Arizona, where the school was, I came back to Dallas, where I'm from.
Okay.
And pretty much right out the gate, I started working for Rick Fairless at Strokers Dallas.
Strokers Dallas is a famous place.
Oh yeah, Rick's been around since he's definitely one of the original OGs in the area.
That's
sure.
awesome. Like,
Yeah.
I didn't realize how much the motorcycle scene was in Dallas.
Yeah.
I'm born and raised in Dallas, but after college, I just moved to Georgia.
Okay.
So I haven't really had a chance to get around and have a look. But I started Googling before I came here this weekend.
Yeah.
Like, I have to go to this place.
Yeah.
And Bobby Haas.
Yeah. He came into our world at Strokers Dallas one day on one of his Harley sidecars.
Wow.
And pretty much became a customer of Rick and Strokers, and we ended up doing these 3 custom builds for Bobby.
Wow.
And our worlds just collided. I kept being attracted to staying around Bobby, and Stacy was with the picture, and they ended up collecting all these vintage bikes at the same time of doing custom builds, and it just all collided together.
That's
to become
awesome.
The museum.
When I saw these, they pulled me in. Like, they got my attention. I got so much footage of these bikes. But if I could, would I be able to get you to give me like information on each bike that you build and what the inspiration was about them?
Yeah, I mean, these ideas came from Bobby himself. Like, he came to the shop weekly.
Okay.
He was in Strokers Dallas weekly, riding in to go over what was going on.
Okay.
And our team there, we worked together. So we had guys doing fabrication, other side customs, paint. Parts were being twisted and exhausts were being made. It just became a collaboration with Bobby.
So all this inspiration is from Bobby?
Mainly, yeah. The grill, I mean, that grill on the Rocket
That is crazy.
He handed me a picture of a Bugatti grill, and he said, "I want the grill to look like
I
this."
knew it reminded me of something.
Yeah,
The
old school
Bugatti,
vintage
the
Bugatti.
$1.2 million Bugatti.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that was all hand shaped to make that grill in there.
Wow.
If you start with the Predator, this is a pretty basic style rideable chopper.
Okay.
Like this is mainly like a chopper that a lot of customers will come in and have built as strokers. Well, I'm in my little world in Dallas and strokers. Bobby is going all over the world with Stacy, and they're finding builders like Rick Fairless and Stroker Dallas all over the world. So he'd end up in Germany, and there's bikes in here from Ireland, Chicago, all over the place. Canada, LA, like you keep going.
That's amazing.
But this was where I was at, and all three builds kind of overlapped. They were all being built around the same time, and so this was more of a traditional style custom chopper that was built, and all the paint on this bike came from Bobby's Nat Geo photography. So
oh wow,
Bobby did aerial photography for Nat Geo for about 10 years. So
I did not know that.
These are actual images that he photographed, and they were all pretty much airbrushed and hand painted on this motorcycle. That was the whole inspiration for the Predator bike.
The Predator, okay.
Yep.
I sit on the seat now.
Yep.
That's awesome.
So
and what about this beauty right here?
This is the Rocket. This bike was a kind of an early stage project that started with Rick Fairless, and it became a bike that Bobby took a liking to, and it became a custom build that he wanted to work around.
That is a beautiful bike.
So this is about as extreme as it gets for a chopper in Art Deco style. It's over the top, really. I mean, the frame was modified more than some of the other ones, and other than the start of it, it's a rideable motorcycle. This became a build for the museum, so
specifically for the museum.
Yeah, like this giant fender on here, you probably wouldn't want to daily ride something like that.
What were you telling me about this grill?
The grill was from a vintage Bugatti, and Bobby just had a picture of it, and he brought it to me and wanted to have a grill put into this big fender. So pretty much just started with quarter rod and bent it all to look like the original grill and formed it to fit the fender.
I wish I had that kind of talent Like somebody can bring you an idea and you just bring it to life.
Yeah,
I envy that. I envy artists because I can't draw.
well, I'm one of those that just like veers into one little thing and try not to get like overwhelmed.
Gotcha. That's a beautiful bike. Now, what about this one right here?
This is the King, and this was an inspiration that Bobby. At the beginning, he had ideas with Elvis Presley involved, like the whole thinking of Elvis. And I actually went through some history with Elvis, looking at guitars that he played, Gibsons, the colors, the wood for the floorboards. It kind of started to blend all that stuff. So that was a curly maple floorboard.
Oh wow!
Piece of wood that I used to make those. A lot of people love the exhaust on this bike, and that was kind of a mistake. It's like they were supposed to go to chrome, and Bobby happened to come in the shop that day, and Ryan over at Strokers was doing like a blend with a flap wheel, and that's what brought that kind of iridescent look.
It is awesome. It's almost like a brush type. I don't even know how to explain it.
Nothing like it. I mean, if it was going to be run, you'd probably end up having to switch it out for something, but the art aspect of that exhaust is next level. So Bobby loved the way it looked, and he said leave it alone. So
that is awesome. Sparky, I gotta tell you, the talent, the vision, I don't know what to say. These things, these machines, these masterpieces are awesome. I've never seen anything like them.
They're extreme. It just follows through with the whole collection here, really.
Oh wow! Is that a suicide shifter?
Yes, which
wow.
It's already a hard enough bike to handle, and then you're going to go do something like that. But,
oh yeah, that is a nice bike. Sparky, thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
Thank you for showing me the VIP tour of the back.
The shop
I really appreciate
is next
it.
level. Yeah,
Thank you so
really
much.
Happy about everything. So,
I gotta send everybody that I know here to see these because these are amazing.
Yep, please do. It's
an
amazing place to see.
I gotta come back. And hopefully make it to Strokers.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's a place to see also. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
All right. Take care.